students of 8th class. Today I am going to continue our exercise 2.3 and second chapter. In 2.3 exercise, the topic is that solving equations having the variable on the both sides. It means a equation will be given. आपको एक इक्वेशन दी हुई होगी and in the equation the variables will be available on both sides. आपके पास दोनों जो साइड्स होती है LHS एंड RHS, इन दोनों में वेरिएबल होगा. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस एंड चेक योर रिजल्ट्स. इट मीन्स जो आपके पास आंसर आएगा उसका यूज करते हुए आपको चेक करना है कि हमारा जो रिजल्ट आया है वो राइट है या रॉन्ग है. तो देखिए दोनों ही देखेंगे. सबसे पहले हम इसको सोल्व करेंगे, बेटा चेक बाद में करेंगे. इट इज आवर इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू सोल्व सॉल्यूशन. राइट इट अगेन. ओके, this is our LHS side and this is our RHS side. We can see easily that this is 3x, ठीक है, in which x is variable, and this is our RHS side. In there are two terms and x is variable in first term and this is our constant term. तो in such conditions what will we do? हम क्या करेंगे, वेरिएबल वाले टर्म्स को एक साइड में लाएंगे. ठीक है. LHS में हमारे पास 3x है, RHS में 2x है, तो इस 2x को इधर ले आइए, ब्रिंग कर लेंगे, यानी वी विल ब्रिंग 2x इन LHS साइड. 2x इज पॉजिटिव, हैविंग पॉजिटिव साइन इन RHS साइड, देन इट विल बिकम नेगेटिव इन LHS साइड. देन वी गेट 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. Okay students. Now these are like terms and having different sign, then these will be subtracted, then we get 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x and 1x will be written as x is equal to 18. So our answer is 18. It is our solution. Okay, answer. Now checking of results. ठीक है. Checking our result, it will be known as verification. Okay students. Now you have to put in this value of x in the given equation. Our equation is that, okay, 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. In this equation we have to put x is equal to 18. Then we get 3x multiply 18 because this is the coefficient of x and the sign between these two will be multiply. Similarly here is multiply sign between these two, coefficient and variable. To multiply we will replace x by 18 plus 18. Okay students, what will be the product of these two? We will multiply 18 by 3, then speak the table of 18 3 times, then we get 54. Similarly 18 to the 36 plus 18. Okay students, 54 is equal to 54. Add these two, then we get 54. LHS side is equal to RHS side. It means our answer is absolutely wrong. Okay, sorry, right, absolutely right है हमारा. If LHS is not equal to RHS, then you can say that our answer is not correct. Okay, at that situation our answer will be absolutely wrong. But in this case, look, LHS is equal to RHS, then we can say that our answer is absolutely right. Students, so we will write here hence checked. हमने हमारा आंसर चेक कर लिया. तो लाइक दिस मेथड वी विल सॉल्व ऑल द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 2.3. नाउ वी टेक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. In question number second, there is t variable. Okay students, the question is that 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Okay students, write it again. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Now look in this equation, there are 4 terms, 2 terms in LHS side and 2 terms in RHS side. Okay, and out of 4 terms there are 2 terms having variable t. So bring all the variable having variables in LHS side, then 3t will be brought into LHS side and minus 3 constant will be sent in RHS side. Then we get 5t. 3t is positive in RHS side, then it will become negative in LHS side. Okay students, now similarly minus 5 is already in RHS side and minus 3 will be sent in RHS side. Minus 3 is negative in LHS side and it will become positive in RHS side. Students, now 5t having positive sign, 3t having minus sign, both have different sign, then these will be subtracted, then we get 2t. 5t minus 3t is equal to 2t. In RHS side, the constant values having different sign, then these will be also subtracted. Minus 5 plus 3, then we get minus 2, because the larger number has minus sign, then the difference will be also have minus sign. Students, now you have to send 2 in RHS side, then we get t is equal to minus 2 upon 2, because there is multiply sign in LHS side, and when it will be sent in RHS side, then it will be written in denominator of the RHS side. Okay students, now solve it. When we solve it, then we get 1. 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2. Okay, and minus 1 will be divided by 1, then we get 1 minus 1. So this is our answer. Now we have to verify our answer. Students, write our given equation again. Our given equation is that 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5, and here is t variable and t is equal to minus 1 is our answer. We will replace t with minus 1, then what will we get? Write it. 5, what is the sign between these two? Multiply, and minus 1, sorry, t will be replaced by minus 1, minus 3 is equal to 3t, multiply minus 1 and minus 5. Students, 5 multiply minus 1, what will be the product of these two? Minus 5 minus 3 is equal to, what will be the product of these two? Minus 3 minus 5. Then both the numbers have same sign, then these will be added. 5 and 3 will be 8 and sign will remain minus. Okay, similarly these two numbers also have same sign, then these will be also added, then we get minus 8. Our LHS part is equal to RHS part. It means our answer is absolutely wrong or right? Right. Okay, so we can say our answer, our result is checked. Similarly, we can do the question number 3rd, question number 3rd and question number 4th. You will do yourself. Okay, now I am going to take question number 5. Question number 5th. In question number 5th, students, what is this? 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Okay students, first of all we will write it again in solution part. Okay, now look in this equation, how many terms are there? So we can say that there are 4 terms, 2 in LHS side and 2 in RHS side. Okay students, now you can observe that 2x and minus x are the terms which have variable. So bring the variables in same side or in LHS side. Most of time variables are written in the LHS side. Then what will we get? 2x. This variable have minus sign in our RHS side. When it will be brought in LHS side, then it will become positive. It means the sign will change into plus. Okay. Similarly, minus 1 will be sent into RHS side, then it will become also positive, because in LHS side it is negative. Then it will become positive in RHS side. Students, 2x plus x are like terms, so coefficients will be added. What is the coefficient of x? 2. What is the coefficient of this x? 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3x. Okay. Now 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. Now I want to find the value of x. So we have to send 3 in RHS side. Then look, what is the sign between these two? Multiply sign. Then 3 will be sent in divide. Then we get x is equal to 15 upon 3. Students, finally we have got what? X is equal to 5. It is our answer. Now we have to check whether our answer is wrong or right. So we have to go in verification part. First of all, write the equation. Again, our equation is that 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Now we have to put x is equal to 5. Students, then 2x, it means 2 multiply x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus 5. Okay students, 5 to the 10 minus 1. Don't subtract 1 from 5. You have to follow at this situation the BODMAS rule. यहाँ पर आपको BODMAS rule follow करना बेटा. It means first of all we will find the product. After that we will add or subtract. 2 5s are 10 minus 1. In next step we will subtract. Okay. 14 minus 5. Students, 10 minus 1 we get 9. 14 minus 5 we get 9. It means our LHS part is equal to RHS part. It means our answer is absolutely right. We can write here hence checked or hence proved, hence verified. Okay students. Similarly, you can find the answer of such type questions. Now the next questions are little bit complex than the starting 5 questions. Okay students, I am going to take question number 6. What is question number 6? In question number 6, the equation is that 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 bracket x minus 1 plus 7. Okay students, you have to write it again. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 bracket x minus 1 plus 7 according to BODMAS rule. Okay, first of all we have to multiply, we have to solve the brackets before brackets. It means look this equation, where is bracket exists, then we can easily observe that in RHS side the first term has bracket. Okay, so what is the outside number, the bracket के बाहर कौन सी संख्या है? 3. Then we will multiply 3 by the terms which are in the bracket. जो bracket के अंदर है उनसे multiply करेंगे till that these terms will be written as it is. Multiply 3 by x, then we get 3x. Similarly 3 will be multiplied by 1, then we get minus 3 plus 7. Here don't discriminate. Many students do multiply of these two, they don't multiply 3 and 1. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपको ये रखना कि इस 3 की मल्टीप्लाई दोनों से करनी है, एक से नहीं करनी है. नाउ एट दिस टाइम you have to bring variables on same side. So first of all, look how many terms are there. We can observe that in LHS there are 2 terms and in RHS there are 3 terms. Out of these terms, 3x and 8x have variables. So bring 3x in LHS side and send 4 in RHS side. Then we get 8x minus 3x. Because 3x is positive in RHS side, it will become negative when it will brought in LHS side. Similarly, minus 3 and plus 7 are in already RHS side, then sign will be no change, and this 4 will be sent in RHS side. The 4 is positive in LHS side, it will become negative in RHS side. Okay students, now 8x minus 3x will be 5x. Similarly, in this part, look which numbers have same sign. Minus 3 and minus 4 have same sign, then these will be added. Minus 3 and minus 4 will become minus 7 and plus 7. Okay, will be as it is. Students, now solve these two, then we get 0 because both have different sign. Then these will be subtracted. When 7 is subtracted from 7, we get 0. Okay, now send 5 in RHS side. What is the sign between these two? Then we can observe that there is multiply sign. 5 will be sent in denominator of the 0. So we will get x is equal to 0 upon 5. Students, divide 0 by 5. If 0 is divided by anyone, then we get only 0. Okay. Students, our answer is 0. Okay. Now we will check our result. First of all, we will write the given equation again. Put x is equal to 0. Then we get 8 multiply 0 plus 4 is equal to 3. 0 minus 1 plus 7. Students, 8 into 0 will become 0 plus 4 is equal to 3. 0 minus 1 will become minus 1 plus 7. Students, now 0 plus 4 will become 4. Okay, 0 plus 4 will be 4, and in RHS side multiply of these two will be minus 3 plus 7. Then we get 4 is equal to 4. Okay, now you can observe that LHS part is equal to RHS part, so our answer is absolutely right, hence checked. Now we will solve question number 8. Okay students, question number 7 do yourself, because question number 7 is similar to the question number 6. I am going to solve question number 8. Okay students, question number 8. 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Okay students, in this equation there are 4 terms. Okay, there is no bracket, so you have to start the work of transferring. You have to bring all the variables in LHS side and you have to send all the constant in RHS part. Now look, the one term of variable having variable is in RHS side, so 7 upon 15 x will be brought in LHS part. Then we get, first of all write it again. Okay students, bring this term into LHS part. Okay students, this whole term is positive in RHS side, then it will become negative in LHS side. Students, similarly 3 is positive in RHS side, plus 1 will be sent in RHS side, then it will become minus 1. Students, take LCM. 15 will be LCM. Divide 15 by 3, then we get 5. 3 5s are 15. 5 will be multiplied by 2x, then we get 10x. Okay, minus 15 1s are 15. 1 will be multiplied by 7x, then we get 7x is equal to, the solution of this 2 will be 2. Students, now 10x minus 3x will be 3x upon 15 is equal to 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Students, we get x upon 5 is equal to 2. Okay students, now send 5 in RHS side. 5 is in divide position and it will become multiply in RHS side, then we will send it in RHS side, students, then we get x is equal to 10. Okay students, you can check your answer by putting x is equal to 10 in the given equation. So first of all, write the given equation again. 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Students, replace x with 10. Okay, I am going to replace x with 10. 2 multiply 10 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 multiply 10 upon 15 plus 3. Okay students, now this will become 20 upon 3 and 1 upon 1. There is no need to send 1 in RHS side. Okay, in verification में each term remains in their sides. Okay, now 10 and 15 are cut by table of 5. 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15. Okay students, because there is 5 common factor in 10 and 15, so we can change it into simplest form and we get 2 upon 3. Now multiply 7 by 2, we get 14 upon 3 plus 3 upon 1. We can assume 1 in denominator of 3. Now students, we will solve LHS part in LHS and RHS will be solved in RHS part. Take LCM. 3 is our LCM, we get 20 plus 3. Similarly, 3 is LCM, we get 14 plus 9. Okay students, 20 plus 3 will be 23 upon 3 and this will be 23 upon 3. Hence checked. Similarly, we can solve such type questions, students. Question number 9 is similar to question number 8. Okay students, now I am going to solve question number 10. Our last question is question number 10. Students, this is our question number 10. You can observe that there are 3 terms in the equation, 1 term in LHS side and 2 terms in RHS side. Out of these 3 terms, there are 2 terms in which the variable exists. Okay, m is the variable in this equation, and having m as variable there are 2 terms, 3m and 5m. Okay, then 3m is already in LHS side, so according to the rule we have to bring 5m in LHS side. 5m is positive in RHS side, then it will become negative in RHS side, LHS side. Then minus 8 upon 5 will remain in RHS side. Students, 3m and minus 5m has different sign, then these will be subtracted, then what will be remainder? 2m will be remainder. Okay, when we subtract 3m from 5m, then we get minus 2m. Okay students, minus 8 upon 5. Now we have to send minus 2. There is multiply sign, then it will be sent in denominator. Then we get 8 is equal to minus 8 upon 5 multiply minus 2. Okay students, minus 2, minus is cancelled by minus and 2 is cancelled by 8, then we get 4. Students, m is equal to 4 upon 5. This is our answer. Now we have to check whether this answer is right or wrong. So write once more time the given equation. Students, it is our given equation. You have to replace m with 4 upon 5, putting m is equal to 4 upon 5. Okay students, 3 multiply, what is the sign between these two? Multiply. 4 upon 5 is equal to 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. Students, what will be the product of these two? 3 and 5 are not cancelled because there is no common factor other than 1 in 3 and 5. So we will multiply numerator by numerator, then we get 12 upon 5. Okay students, now in this RHS part, we can see that 5 is cancelled by 5, 1 remain. What is LCM? 5 is LCM, 5 1 5 the 5, 5 for the 20 minus 8. Students, then we can see that 20 minus 8 will be 12 upon 5. So RHS part is equal to RHS part. So our answer is absolutely right. So such type questions are very easy. You have to practice such type questions 2 or 3 times. Okay students, तो आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इन क्वेश्चंस की 2 या 3 बार प्रैक्टिस करें. Okay students, in next online class we will start next exercise 2.4. Thank you.